today we have something new, which is the distinct keyword. Before we start, we have this question, which is show where the customers from without repetition. So show me where the countries of the customers without repeating the countries. Just I want a list of all the countries. So in this case, if we just used the way that we used before, which is select country from customers. Okay, what will happen here is going to take the whole column and is going to print it out like this one, country and the countries. And as you can see here, we have some repetition like the UK, okay, and also the US. We have repetition, and this is not what we want. We don't want any repetition. We want just the list of the countries. So this way is not working. So this is why we use distinct. Distinct, it means give me the unique values of this column. Okay? So we write it before distinct. We write it before the column. So select distinct country from customer. What will happen now when we apply this query? It will start from the beginning. Of course, we have the country, and it starts from the beginning. We have USA is going to be printed up. It will be show, okay, and go to the next one. UK. Did we print or did we show UK? No, not yet. So we put it here. After that, we go to the third one, USA. Did we have USA before? Yes, we have. So ignore it because we already have it. And then Canada. Do we have Canada? Not yet. So Canada. And then go to here, we have UK. We already have UK. So it will be ignored because we want it only once. And then go to France. And France will be shown. So this will be the result. We have all the values from here without any repetition. So this is what we mean by distinct. Just show me the list of the values without repeating the values, the same value. So when we come to here and we apply it, if we say country, as we did before, we have the countries, we have the list, but we still have some repetition like here and here. So we need to add or to write distinct and Control E, and C. Distinct is a keyword, so we should write it the same way as it is, the same spelling, capital or small, it doesn't matter. The most important is same spelling, okay? And here, as you can see, we have one time UK and one time USA because we used distinct. Okay, now, what if we want to add another call? We want, let's say that I want to see not just the country, but the country and the city. So I want the unique address, the country and the city for the customers. What will happen? First, come to here. We need to add city, so we add it at the end, or we can put it before. It doesn't matter. City. Now, instead of just having a country unique, now we should have a country and city unique. They should both be unique. So what will happen? It will come to the first and it will have, let's say, country and city. We want this country and also the city unique. So it will come to the first and we have here USA and New York. Okay, good. Go to the next one. We have UK and London. We didn't have UK and London, so we show it. After that, go to the third one, USA, New York. Did we have USA and New York? Yes, we have USA and also we have New York. So we have the combination of two, this one and this one. And here it is USA and New York. So both of them are the same. So we'll ignore this. We'll not show it because we already have it here. So ignore it. Then we have Canada. Did we have Canada before? Not yet. So it will show. And after that, we have UK Manchester. Did we have UK Manchester? We had UK. But Manchester, no. This is London. It is not the same as Manchester. And because we use distinct, it should be both of them the same. Okay? It should be UK London to ignore it, as we did with USA in New York. But here it is UK, but we have difference, Manchester. So in this case, we consider it as unique because it should be the same country and the same city to ignore it. Okay? Since we have the same country and not the same city, so we consider it as unique or distinct. Now France and Paris. So France and Paris will be shown. So this is going to be the result. We have two USA but different cities. Two UK but different cities. USA we have it once because we have USA New York and also USA New York. So we ignored one of them. So when we use distinct with multiple columns, it means that the multiple columns should be the same. The same city, the same country, the same name or whatever. Let's apply it here. So it is going to be country, and also here we can say the city. Control E. We can see here we have UK, but Manchester, and UK London. So they are different in the city. But here we have one USA neon because the other one is USA neon. Okay? So this is how we can get unique values. What if we select a column that is all unique, like customers? There are no repetition. In this case, if we just come to here and say distinct customer, we say customer, what will happen? It will be taken the whole customer column and will be shown because there is no repetition. No repetition, it will be shown off. Okay? And if we add something like country, it will happen the same thing as we did before with the city. It will show the whole, all the countries. Why all the countries? Because we have unique values in the customer name. Okay? So we can do it here. We can have like here the customer and also the country. Control A. So we have here the result. We have all the values. And even when we have USA or UK, doesn't matter because the customers are unique.